Hundreds of supporters of former Philippine President Duterte gathered in Manila on March 15th to campaign for his release from the International Criminal Court notably. Duterte, on March 14th, made his first appearance before the ICC, where he was facing murder allegations from his War on Drugs campaign notably. The campaign has killed thousands in the Philippines during his term as President of Philippines. Duterte, who led the Philippines from 2016 to 2022, is set to be the first Asian former head of state to go on trial at the ICC. Confirmation of charges hearing has been set to start on September 23rd, while a trial would not be expected to start until early 2026.
Roa Duterte do solemnly
Duterte